For this class, you will need to use the New Grove Dictionary of Music and Musicians. The library has this set in our reference collection, and anyone can come in and view articles anytime when the library is open. The reference collection is off on one wall perpendicular to the rest of the collection. If you need assistance finding or using the set, feel free to inquire at the circulation desk. If you are not able to come to the library, you can check for articles through Oxford Music Online, and then make a request for the article that you need. To do so, Google Oxford Music Online, and then click on the first result. Then search for the composer that you are interested in. I'm going to search for Giovanni Pierluigi del Palestrina. Any articles that have a red lock you will not be able to access, but you can request that we find a copy for you. I'm going to click on the first result to see if this is the article that I want, and it is. To make the request, you will need to grab the citation by clicking on the pencil icon. Copy the citation and then email that citation to our interlibrary loan librarian, Carl Hubenschmidt, at chubenschmidt@lindenwood.edu. We should be able to send you the requested article in 2 to 3 business days, so remember to plan ahead. There are some articles that you'll find that are not locked. For example, if you do a search for Johann Sebastian Bach, the article is available, so keep that in mind when searching. If you have any questions about using the New Grove Dictionary of Music and Musicians or requesting articles from Grove Music Online, please contact the library.